Okay, so this is what it sounds like now. Actually, not too bad. Kind of has a nice little rumble to it also. Actually, a pretty sweet car. Just needs to be detailed. Let's see. Came with almost a full tank of gas. Woo! Not that gas prices are extremely high anymore, but still cool to see. Most cars you get have like an empty tank of gas. It's like somebody doesn't want to fill it back up, so they decide to sell their car. Yeah, I think that's cool. Positive, negative shift mode. Then if you do gotta drive automatic, it makes it a little bit more fun. Current miles 179,351. I get to go pick Chrissy up from work in it. I think she'll be pretty excited.